Hey, welcome back to our shop just outside Kennesaw here in North Georgia. Well, we're still on my lawnmower. This thing must have reached adolescence or something the other day because it's always reliable, and in the last couple of days it has just given me fits. We fixed that problem we had with the PCV valve and got rid of the oil blowing out the side of the engine and into the air box. But now we've got to fix the drive cable for the self-propelled. That snapped off while I was mowing the lawn the other day, and I had to finish up just pushing this old heavy girl without the front wheel self-propelled. So I've got a new cable. Bought it off eBay. It cost me about 12 bucks. So let's get it installed. Here we go. Back at the lawnmower. Right here is the self-propelled handle, and this is what's left of the Z-bend on the cable, if you can see that. And that's what's left of the Z-bend. That's snapped right off. So the whole cable's got to be replaced. So let's get to it. Here's the first order of business. Let's get the cable out of this holder. Now before you yank this out, kind of take a look at it. Remember how it went in. Kind of like how much of the bare cable is in there. And by that I mean here. It's about an inch. It's hanging down below there. And the next part of our adventure has got to take us underneath this cover, which is on the front of the mower. And for reasons that baffle me, it's secured with nuts from underneath. So the mower's got to get flipped up on its end to get that cover off. So let me take care of that next. And up under here are the bolts for the cover, and I'll pop those off camera and we'll move forward. Okay, here's where we need to be. Look at all the grass and stuff that's in here. Might as well clean this out while I'm in here. Get this off the drive belt and drive belt assembly. Okay, here's our cable. It's held in with these detents here and this spring here. Let me get a pair of pliers and we'll pull that detent out. And all we're doing is squeezing these plastic tabs in, and that releases the cable from the bracket. There we go. There we go. So there's your spring. There's the mounting part that mounts into there, and then the rest of the cable. Let me get the new one. This is the part I replaced it with. This came off of eBay from a seller out in, I believe, Ohio. Let's see how it goes on. And I took a minute to clean off this gunk and stuff that was all over the mower there. Okay, the spring is on. Cable is in. And I'm just going to run the cable up through these cable keepers. And set this up here. I stuck the Z-bend into the bail to hold it. We'll take care of doing the adjustment here when we're all set. But next thing I gotta do is put that cover back on. I'll do that off camera because I gotta take the mower up for that. Alrighty, let's get this cable back in here. Has to come off this bolt first. The cable goes in the notch. And the cable housing will come through. And we'll leave about an inch like we had before. Run our bolt through, washer and our nut. Let's leave this loose. Till we get this Z-bend in. Okay, that's in. That looks about right. Let's tighten that up. See how it feels. Feels like it's locking in. Drive cable feels good, or our regular starter cable. This actually is the cable that releases the brake on the flywheel and also releases the ground that kills the coil. So when you let go of this, the mower stops, the engine stops. When you let go of this, the self-propelled stops. Let's drop this off the lift, take it outside, start it up, and see if we can make the front wheel spin. We're back in business. The self-propelled works. Well, I hope you enjoyed these two little videos on fixing this lawnmower. I am by no means a small engine mechanic. There are some outstanding videos on YouTube. If you're interested in small engine work or maintaining your own mower, let me give you some of my favorites. Donnie Boy 73, he's outstanding. He's up in Canada. Check out his channel, Donnie Boy, one word, 73. Tremendous resource. Double Wide 6, I think he's down in Suffolk County, New York. He does a tremendous job with a small engine work and also all sorts of other repair work. I believe he's he may have a master's degree in industrial engineering. He's a professional repair person. He's an expert and he's really, really good. And then my personal favorite is Bruce Pender. Bruce is up in Northwest Canada. Retired guy like myself, works out of his shop like myself, one of the internet nice guys. And between those three channels, I pretty well learned what little I know about fixing lawnmowers, and it's saved me a ton of money. And it's also enabled me to buy some broken mowers and fix them up on the cheap and resell them, so it's something to think about. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. We had that messed up PCV valve issue that we took care of, and then this cable change was a snap. So from our shop just outside Kennesaw here in North Georgia, best regards, thanks for watching, take good care, and remember, when it comes to lawnmowers, it's just metal, plastic, and some greasy stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video. And who knows? Maybe we'll be doing furniture. Maybe we'll be fixing something else. Take care. Bye.